Hi sweet moms and dads, it's Didi here and today is another Cooking Tuesday. And today I have again a guest in my show and this is my lovely sister Sveti.
Hi guys!
And we are at her kitchen as you can see. So last time what did we cook for them? We cooked the
quinoa
balls and they turned really nice. Okay, and today what we're going to show?
Today we're gonna show how we cook polenta.
Is this the Italian way of cooking polenta? My sister is married to an Italian, so she's half Italian now.
So yeah, actually no, they cook it a bit more simple, like they just put polenta, maybe kind of sauce or maybe a tomato sauce on the top, but I don't think they put any of these vegetables on the top.
And back in Bulgaria I think we just make it with cheese or honey sometimes, right?
Yeah, we make it the typical way in Bulgaria is just with our cheese, the
Bulgarian cheese,
kind of feta cheese. And a bit of red pepper, and that's it. But I think this is more healthier and it's kind of nice. It's tasty.
We usually make that when we have guests again because it's like a big tray with lots of vegetables and it makes a great sort of starter in between the salad and the main course. So it's a very tasty thing.
I think it's great for the baby as well. It's healthy. This way they eat lots of vegetables.
True. Okay, let's get started.